Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making stir-fried potatoes with sausage. Simple, hearty, and seriously satisfying. They are lightly fried until fragrant and golden, with that toasty flavor, while the inside stays soft and floury. Let's get started. First, peel the potatoes and cut them into thick strips. Drop them straight into water. This keeps them from turning dark and also washes off some extra starch. Cut the sausage into strips as well. And slice a little green peppers into strips too. For aromatics, just chop some scallions. And mince a bit of garlic. Alright, everything's ready, let's get cooking. Heat up the oil in the wok about 180 degrees Celsius. Add the potatoes first and give them a quick fry. Once they feel a bit firm and the surface just starts to change color, take them out. Let the oil heat back up to around 180 degrees Celsius again. Now add the potatoes back in together with the sausage. Fry until the potatoes turn golden. At the very end, toss in the green peppers and fry for about 8 to 10 seconds. Just enough to bring out the aroma. Then take everything out and drain the oil. Leave a little oil in the wok. Add the scallions and garlic, and stir fry until fragrant. Pour in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and about 150 milliliters of water. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir until everything is well combined. Add a bit of cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce, letting it turn glossy and rich. Drizzle in half a tablespoon of cooking oil. Then return all the fried ingredients to the wok. Turn the heat to high and toss everything together until evenly coated. And that's it, ready to serve. Just look at that. Golden, glossy, sizzling hot. It smells amazing. Let me grab a bite for you. Oh wow, the garlic aroma hits you right away. The potatoes have this deep fried edge to them, way more flavorful than just stir-fried. Honestly, I'm gonna need 2 bowls of rice with this. If you make this at home, make sure you cook extra rice. You will need it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.